Sit in the car outside your house, you're quiet, I can feel the heat coming round. I go to put my arm around you and you give me a look like I'm way out of bounds. Well,